Hello, welcome back to Retail-Outsource. My name is Seb, and today I'm going to show you how to send an email newsletter to your eBay subscribers or followers. So let's jump back to the PC. First of all, let me tell why you want to do that in the first place. If you have a lot of followers on eBay Shop, or if you're just starting, it's a good thing to have that engagement with the buyers that you have purchased from you previously, so you can retarget them. Right, that's one of the things that you can do with this tool, and it's free as well. And from my experience, I can see a lot of sellers, they don't use this option. So let's jump back to my screen. Once you have logged into your seller hub, you have to go to manage your shop. Okay, and here you can see shop newsletter. Click on that. And if you're doing it for the first time, this summary will be empty. And I have done some tests, and you can see 250 total reach, and open rate is 42%, and the click-through rate is 4.67, which is nice. And what I have seen is that you can send different types, around 5 types of email newsletters. Okay, most of them are discounts, some of them are product launches, so you can create based on the requirements. But the one that we saw works well was one with the discount, some kind of discount. Okay, so let's click on create a campaign, and here you can see there are 5 options. This is mainly for product launches. This is coupon, sales, event markdown, order discount, or multiply. So all the 4 from here are some kind of discounts, involve some kind of discount. Okay, this one is just mainly for product launches. What we can do, click on this one for this test, the first option, and click next. And the next thing that you have to do is to select the recipients. Okay. For here, you can select all subscribers, and you can select followers also. In this case, I'm going to select both because I want to get as much as coverage as possible. Okay. And you can put a subject line as well. Put something catchy and click on next. Here, this is the personalized message that you want to that the buyers will see when they open the email. I suggest that you use ChatGPT. And for example, I've created something like this. So I just said, okay, write a short email content with 250 words for eBay shop newsletter. We are selling power line adapters. So just say, okay, this is how much your content need to be. This is what I sell, and this is the platform. These are the main points that I have given to ChatGPT, and it came up with a big chunk of text. But what I will do, you can see it even offer the code as well, which I'm not doing it at the moment. So I'm just going to copy a little bit and then paste it over there. Exactly in Poland. So as I mentioned before, this is just an example, okay? To Chat GPT, I'm gonna copy this much. You can fine tune this content. I'm not gonna do it now because it's gonna take time. So just gonna put it here. So this is how it looks like from the buyer's point of view, okay? It shows the logo, all this reviews. It says, okay, this is good when apply on the one side. Okay, this is fine. And then click on next. If you're happy with everything, click on next. And you can schedule it. Okay, I don't want to be a reoccurring email. I want it to be a one time. Okay, I'm going to select the date, and I want it to be on the weekend. So there's more chance that they will open that email. They will have plenty of time and they can open the email. So ideally I will select Sunday. and review email, and then click on activate. You can see all the details are here, and click on activate. That's it. The newsletter has been scheduled now to be pushed on that specific date. Thanks a lot for watching.